guys, today we will be making an adorable fall wreath. What you will need, I have a grapevine wreath ring and it's about, say, 16 to 18 inches in diameter. I have some leaves from leftover projects that I've done, so I figured this would be a great way to use these. I also have some cute little pumpkins. Now you can get like styrofoam pumpkins from Dollar Tree or a craft store and just hot glue a little stick to the end of them. These already have the sticks in place, so I'm going to use those. These cute little acorns. I think they're just so adorable. Scissors and a hot glue gun. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is get all of my leaves placed. So there are several ways you can do this. You can just like glue and go, but I kind of like to get them placed somewhat where I would like them before I start gluing, just so I can make sure I like where everything is and everything has a nice clear spot. Well, I just like to take the leaves and start placing them down. No specific order, like I said, I just place them down, see how they look, and then go on from there. So I'm going to start placing all of them down, making sure I like everything, and then we will start gluing. Once I have a basic foundation in place, then I'll start gluing. I still have some extra leaves over to the side here, but I have, like I said, a basic foundation. So I'll get this glued down, then add in the extra leaves, just extra touches wherever they are needed. So all that I'm doing is hot gluing the leaves and sometimes the stems, pretty much whatever's touching the grapevine wreath, I'm going to glue it down. Alright, so I've gotten all the leaves in place. It looks so cute and adorable. Next thing I'm going to do is place my pumpkins. Again, you can take styrofoam pumpkins and add a stick, and you can place them as many as you'd like. I'm only using 2, but again, have fun with it and make it your own. And then I'm just gluing down my final touches. And then I have these adorable little acorns, which I'm going to just hot glue all around the ring. If you have any other embellishments or decor you'd like to add, definitely do it. And the final touch, I have this really cute and adorable bow. But what I'm going to do is take my wire and I'm going to just tie it around the bottom of the wreath. If you prefer the top or the side or wherever you like, just have fun with it. And I will link the video of how to make this exact bow in the description box down below. I will also link it at the end of this video. And then just tie it and adjust it. So cute and adorable. There's the pretty bow. I have my pumpkins, I have my little acorns and the flowers. So cute. I was going to finish it here, but I just decided to add these adorable little pine cones. I thought that would fit in so cute. So what I'm going to do, I like to kind of see where everything is going to be before I start placing it down. So let's see. So I've just placed all of my pine cones where I think I want them. Again, if you prefer to add in like more pumpkins or maybe some corn or anything like that, have fun with it and make it your own. Now, since I see where I want them, I'm going to, and you can use bow wire, or you can use, this is just covered wire from Hobby Lobby, or even floral wire. You have many options. And I'm just going to thread it through the pine cone. You can even glue the pine cone down if you prefer. Okay, and then I'm going to twist it at the back a couple of times. Just like that. And then I'm just going to tie it down to the wreath. I'll just twist it to the back and tuck it away. There we go, all done. If you want to add even more, I say go for it. Just make it your own and personalize it to fit you. You can even put an adorable sign in the center that says like Happy Thanksgiving or blessings or anything like that. You are all done. It looks so cute and adorable and perfect for fall.